Howdy YouTube. Well, the plan is we're building a turbo lamp today. So we're gonna pull a turbo from the junkyard and then we're gonna go to a thrift store and buy a lamp because we don't want to do any wiring. And we're just gonna steal the internals and combine them. And it's gonna be a turbo lamp. Where did you, oh yeah, Saab turbo.
I don't even know where to go from. I can't see anything. Who's taking the downpipe off? That's gonna have to come off.
I don't think there's any capturing how truly awful that was. We got the flywheel and the turbo. Oh my gosh. So, off to buy the lamp. We're gonna try the first thrift store and hopefully find it there. And where we go, bargain hunt, that's the plan. And then we'll see if we find it there, Goodwill, whatever. Go to this next junkyard too and find a 6.5 and put that in the lamp.
Really good. Yeah, 6 hours lamp, I'm down. Lamp.
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 Make life harder in the long run, but that's what we're about here at ToddFoolery.
I have an idea. Try to spin the compressor with it. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, that would have been cool.
Here we are, Saab turbo. I vote this needs to be like front and center on that thing. Maybe, I don't know. That can sit on like the top of the lamp. I don't know. So here's how we're gonna weld this up. Ooh, okay, right I like that.
Poke 2 holes.
Yeah. Yeah, why am I I'm holding the camera, you do this. Set it kind of on there.
Something like that.
Something like that. Well, there should be a spot. There's a little flat that we can weld to.
Right there.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah, so
right
like
there.
Right like that.
And then
piping
up
like this, and then lamp.
And a lamp up top.
Yes.
That'll work. I like that a lot.
Beautiful.
Wow, this is the nicest tape job I've ever seen.
Exactly, professional.
I don't need to get my finger anywhere near that knife.
No, I don't. I'd rather not have to take you to the ER today.
Do you want to paint all of this? Like,
I think we leave the rust look like rust. Like, we paint this part silver.
How are we gonna tape this off?
Magic. I don't know. Paint this silver and paint all this silver. But I think like this, I don't know. On most turbos it looks like that, so I say we keep it like that.
It's true, except for this looks like crap.
Well, we can paint that.
This might still end up being a 10-foot away lamp. I don't like trees. They're bad.
Why do you not like trees?
Because they're bad. Sorry, that's not how the pros do it.
I'm using the GoPro's safety glasses.
What's that?
I'm using the GoPro safety glasses.
Okay.
Yeah, I've gotten everything I can see. Honestly, the shiny looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does look good. Shiny the whole thing.
It gives it character.
Up here. Don't paint the GoPro. Don't paint me here. Hold your own cardboard. What am I doing?
I don't know. I end up painting myself.
Your leg.
That's fine. These are work pants that don't know how to stay up.
That's making the video.
Stupid pants. It's all silver. I don't know. It's all silver.
All right.
Silver everything.
Right, now
chrome now.
It's chrome.
Whoa.
Woo. Peak YouTube.
We still have to make the turbo spin somehow.
That's
a later us problem.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna end up doing that because we have no way of getting a motor in here.
We'll make it spin when we do the big one.
Yeah, we gotta leave some room for improvement. I mean,
that's true.
I need like welding wire, and we'll fish it through.
You want me to try?
No, it's going now.
It's going.
Oh yeah. Hey, look at that.
Wow, it works.
Okay.
Very expensive.
Hey.
It works.
How are we going to do this? There we go. That'll hopefully work, and I'll try not to solder them together.
Don't do that again.
Do what?
That.
I might.
See, I'll be honest, when I work on the golf carts, instead of soldering it, I just kind of jam it together and tape it. If we have a soldering iron, I doubt it works.
Shout out Ben Perler right here. He was giving me some tips the other day on how to stop annoying your friends by sending them your cringe TikToks that you make. So.
Oh, did he tell you to stop?
he did.
Keep doing it.
But just keep. Well, I'll only send them to Ben because he made a good point that you gotta let people find them naturally, so the algorithm likes it more.
Ah, true.
Yeah, but
So
Ben, I'm gonna keep sending these to you just because you said that. Although, appreciate the help, man.
Ben, I am also gonna send these to you.
We'll send them to you a couple times actually, so you have to look through them.
We need you to run up the boost. Our $2 light bulb works too. Yay!
This project's turning out better than the mini bike.
Now that you've said this, something's gonna blow up.
Yeah, it's very true.
Why would you say that?
All right, here's your lamp, Todd.
Yay!
It's so not
bad,
right.
But I mean, to be fair, it was a $2 light bulb. Our entire lamp project, except for the turbo, cost us like $10.
Nice welds here, bud.
Hush.
I was thinking they would look a little better.
I did too. Nobody needs to see those stuff.
This is literally going on YouTube.
I control the camera.
I control the editing.
Honestly, I'm a fan. It doesn't really work well as a lamp. Maybe at like 3 in the morning when it's pitch black, I might be able to see what's directly under it.
Lock it.
Man, Jacob doesn't even need to go anywhere for a workout now. He just borrow my lamp. This is right around his PR anyway.
Is Martin here too? Or I got you.
No, I was hoping he was, but no.
Oh, bummer. Here's Jacob. Here's the reaction.
Lamp.
And Dylan.
What is that?
The lamp. Where are we putting this?
I don't know.
I don't have a lamp spot.
We have fancy mics now too.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Lamp.
I love lamp.
Dude, this is great. Look at it. That's so good.
Wait. Hell.
Whoa.
I love lamp.
Wow.
I love lamp.
It's great.
It's beautiful.
Actually,
Actually, it puts out a decent amount of light.
yeah, I kind of like it.
It's a decent amount of power.
Decent amount of power. Spinny bit.
All 20 millimeters of that turbo.
Why do you have a mic?
That's Tyler. Tyler got mics.
Oh yeah.
It's so windy and loud when we film.
The guy behind the camera has a microphone. That makes sense. Oh, that's pretty bad.
Exactly.
That's the smallest turbo.
It is the biggest one I could find at the junkyard.
Where'd it come off of?
A Saab. That's why
This is the Saab. It came off a Saab.
That's why we have Saab badges.
Yeah.
What's the flywheel off of?
The ground. And then we're gonna put the blow-off valve on it later.
Yeah.
It was cold.
What's the pump for?
That's the blow-off valve, bud.
The what?
That's the blow-off. It controls the blow-off.
Oh.
There's a little flap in the back that opens it.
Why do you have it?
What?
Why do you have it?
It came on this. It came on the thing. It mounts right there.